Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
I'm headed out. I'm about to go to meet with Auntie Lisa. Today is her annual Diva chat. This is my third time going, so I'm super excited. Gonna bring you guys with me. It's also like a period poverty program that she started for young girls who can't afford to get stuff when it's during their cycle. Beautiful event, successful black woman, positive energy, good vibes, good food, and just good conversation. So I'm headed out right now. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. In this bag, I have the little goodies for some of the girlies. You guys, my little fit check, but I gotta get out of here because it starts at 5 o'clock and it's 4:50. So. Hi, how are you?
Good, you?
Good, thank you. Shout outs to the chef in here, getting busy.
So when you become intentional of what you want to do and what you want, how or who you want to become, you have to be purposeful. You have to be intentional.
And I was outside a lot, left to my devices. My mom's an amazing person, not to take anything from her. She taught me a lot of skills for my life, and I'm grateful for her. But this was an area that I didn't realize until I went off to college that needed to be taken a lot more seriously than I did. And that would be, I would just say menstrual care in general. Very, very often, I didn't have period supplies, but I had an abundance of paper towel, or I had an abundance of like wipes or different things, around, and I was hanging with boys outside. So I just always knew what to do, to wrap up, a paper towel with my underwear, and that was my pad all the time, most of the time.
Bounty was your pad.
Yep, Bounty was my pad. And I didn't think anything of it until I was getting ready to go to college, and my mom was helping me pack up and everything like that. She's like, oh, you got your period supplies. Even my mom, was blindsided by the fact that I was not prepared.
How do we get to the, oh, here we go. All you hear is click, click. This looks scary walking down this. This girl got us at the doctor. It's raining today, y'all. We feel like crap, but my girl had to come to the ENT, and we'll explain when we get into the room. To come to the ENT because she's been having trouble with her ears previously. Even when we lived in New York, she would suffer with like vertigo. She would get very spinny, sick on her stomach. This was like an ongoing thing. So we had to take her to the urgent care a few days ago with ear pain. The doctor said that both of her ears are impacted with wax to the point where we had to come here. And so hopefully they drain it. I had got her over the counter stuff. Didn't help her.
Yeah, like it's like sharp pains in my ears, the ringing constantly.
Yeah, and
I'm so scared. At urgent care, they put like a water hose in my ear. The worst pain, I was spinning. It was bad. It was so bad.
well, hopefully they don't do that here. Let's.
So no.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, we're not doing all that. But let's see what they got going on over here before the doctor comes in.
No.
Doom, 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 doom.
I'm so scared.
This is where I play the scary music.
They say no.
She gonna stick that in here?
What?
That tube?
No, stop. I won't let her.
Don't you dare go on that street.
I did amazing going guitar. I can already see them already.
We gotta get you some cleats. Come on. That's not your
These look like
size.
sweets.
Not your size though. It's too
Yeah,
big.
but these are sweets.
Is there something in here? Okay.
That's weird. Oh, I think those are just
Let me see. Does it feel big?
Are these actually cleats?
Put your foot in.
But you have to tie them.
I know. But you have too much space.
But I like it.
They're cute, but they're too big. You have so much.
I like them.
I understand that, but we have to find your size because they're too. You have like a whole foot of room. My boy is going to be a track star. Look at them legs. First day at track practice.
How we doing?
Good.
What's up, Jesse? You ready for this? I get a hug too? Oh, the love is there already.
I'm gonna be one of them extra moms. Go Justice! Be like, that's my son.
No, don't do that.
Be embarrassing?
Yes.
Why would you be embarrassed that I'm praising you?
Well, look, I'm their water bottle, and I can't.
You want to get your water bottle?
Yes.
Come on, let's go get it.
When I say go, take a couple steps. Stay low. Stay low. Then come back.
And when you come back, stay low. Don't go back slow. See, Justice, stay down, coming back. Stay down, coming back. We need you to get used to being in that position. Okay? All right, here we go. One more time. Get set. Go. Better.
Ooh, so we are getting ready for prom. As y'all know, hair done. It is eating. So next up is lashes.
And nails.
And then you guys will see, you'll see her tomorrow. But you look beautiful. She ate.
I think you look better than you were. You look way better.
Justice. What'd you say?
She's beautiful.
Oh. Good morning, guys. So it's currently 10:12. I'm on my way to pick up the boutonniere for Lyric's date. So let's go in here and see what this boutonniere is giving. Good morning. Hi. I'm here to pick up a boutonniere for Michelle.
I remember her. Yeah.
I spoke to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Michelle.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, perfect. Don't laugh at me. These are the only scissors I could find. But this is my package from Sephora. Let me just tell y'all something. Okay? I don't know what it is about me, but whenever I want something, usually a very popular item and it's never in store. So in this box, this is something from Sephora that I wanted, these eye patches. It said it was going to take 8 days to come. It was delayed by FedEx. So it's supposed to be here on Thursday, didn't come Thursday. It's supposed to be here on Friday, didn't come Friday. Today's Saturday, and they just want to drop it off. Anyways, let's just open it up so we can see. This better be worth everything that I've been hearing about. My damn wrist. Big ass box. Little ass eye patches. So these are the Road eye patches by Hailey Bieber, Justin Bieber's wife. And it's supposed to be a really good hydro eye mask that helps with like puffiness and just like that tired look. $25 for these. So we're gonna try them out and see. Gotta wait because these little geese and the little babies want to be holding up traffic. Come on now. Quick Walmart run. Last minute stuff again for the prom queen. And we might run the Ulta, but we're gonna see if we can find what she's looking for in here real quick. I got my other little, she just woke up. Oh y'all, look at this. I thought this was a mist. This is a freaking heat protectant. Larry, you gotta spray this for me. I wanna see how this smells. Spray this one.
Do you smell it?
No?
What do you mean?
Wait.
It's mad strong, queen.
That's nice. Now I want this. Oh yeah, you sprayed it in my mouth. I had to stop in the hair section. Y'all already know. But anyway, I saw this girl put this in her hair and I want to try it. I'll probably do like a review. I'm not really a big fan of Garnier, but I know I tried a serum before and it was bomb. So this is only $4. So we were about to leave and I was like, I need a new candle. Let's set the vibe today. Why did I see all of these new ones? They got the
Oatmeal cream pie, honey buns, sugar cookie, and cosmic brownies. Cinnamon roll. What the heck? It stinks.
It does? Which one is that? What is it?
What is that?
Funky?
Sugar cookies.
All right, do the brownie one.
Okay, it don't stink. It's just mad strong.
I'm recording on my phone, yeah, because my camera died.
Oh, it smells like chocolate.
Good, like cocoa?
Yeah, cocoa.
Let's try the oatmeal cream pie.
Oh, cinnamon. Like for winter.
Ooh.
This is good for winter. not
I'm tired of
right
that. It smells like Waffle Crust cereal.
now. We need like a fresh.
Cookies? Side Garden, what about that one? We need a good recommendation because I feel like I stick with the same ones. And I'm tired of Bath & Body Works, to be honest.
No, I don't like it.
No?
You can smell it.
Let me see. Nope. Smells like musty underarms. Nowhere to park. Packed to the fullest capacity. I'm excited. You excited?
Yeah, I look chopper now.
No, you don't. Stop. Just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. No one wants to beat it, beat it. Doom, 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 doom. I'm trying to get in character. Doom, doom. Can't get enough. Let go.
7.
Hey, get ready. I was excited. Beat it. Beat it. No one wants to beat it. Beat it. Hey, oh, you got scared? Beat it. Oh, what? What you showing? I think it started. Michael Jackson.
There's a serial killer on the loose. Hello, Tuesday.
Yes.
When the bus goes, don't stop till you get it. Keep on.
10 out of 10. Did you enjoy it? It was so good. Oh my God. Look at this beautiful girl. Look at the deeds. So she ended up going with this royal blue dress. She looks absolutely beautiful. Down to the toes. Okay, let's show the shoes. Period. Yeah, turn around. Beautiful. Ready for prom. Where's your clutch? I'll get it. Hold on. Period. Yeah, how you feeling?
Nervous.
Nervous? Why are you nervous?
Because I'm rushed and it's like, I don't know, I'm just anxious.
It's going to be a good time. You're going to have a great time, girlfriend. All right, guys. So right now what we're going to do is I'm going to take her uptown and we're going to take some pictures and then she's going to be on her way. So come with us to take her pictures for prom 2026. We gotta get over here because we're going into the embassy suites. We're going to the telly real quick to get some pictures. Now let me see your walk, 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 walk. Your feet hurt? All right, we're at our second location. We at Boardwalk Billy's. There's a lot going on right now. It's live in action. And everybody else is coming to take prom pictures. You don't have to let us cut through because they ain't got no good manners. Look, I'm stopping traffic. Let's go. Come on. Everything stops for the queen. Look, mom's holding the dress. She gets top tier treatment. Okay? Top tier treatment, period.
All right, bro.
And your dress is flying up. You look great.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Period. Yeah, I got it.
Simply Michelle.